We guide you through how to use Personal Hotspot on your iPhone in just a few easy steps. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings, then tap on Personal Hotspot. If you don't see it, go to Cellular and enable cellular data first. Then come back to Personal Hotspot. Next, toggle on Allow others to join. You'll now see your Wi-Fi password. This is what other device will use to connect. You can change it if needed for something easier to remember. After that, grab the device you want to connect, go to its Wi-Fi settings, and select iPhone's name from the list of available networks. Enter the password, and once connected, your iPhone will start sharing its internet instantly. You can also connect via Bluetooth or USB if needed, but Wi-Fi is the fastest and easiest option. Keep an eye on your battery and mobile data usage while hotspot is on, and once done, simply toggle it off to save power and data.